This is not your typical physical therapy routine. It is something different, something subtle, yet deeply powerful. A deep breathing exercise that nurtures your brain, nervous system, and the mind body connection, which are all essential for healing after a stroke. Hello, and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash, your brain health expert, and I formally welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here, you can get so much detailed scientific information on health and wellness, neurosupportive diets, yoga and lifestyle guidance, and holistic strategies for managing chronic neurological conditions, including stroke rehabilitation. Okay, so before moving on to the breathing technique, let's first understand what a stroke is. A stroke occurs when the blood supply to a part of your brain is interrupted or reduced. This deprives your brain tissue of oxygen and nutrients, leading to brain cell damage. Based on how severe your stroke is and where it occurs, a person may experience difficulties in speech, movement, coordination, memory, or even basic day-to-day functioning. Do you know that your breath has a direct effect on your brain's healing capacity? Yes, it's true. Your breath is far more than a survival function. Your breath has a lot of roles in your body. It regulates your autonomic nervous system. It influences neuroplasticity, which is brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Breathing plays a powerful role in restoring calm, reducing anxiety, and enhancing motor coordination, which are all crucial during stroke recovery. What happens after a stroke? Your nervous system often becomes imbalanced and weakened. One more trigger that worsens brain health is your stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. However, deep and rhythmic breathing acts like a restorative therapy, calming your mind and regulating the body's healing systems. Now, I want to talk about one of the most effective and ancient breathing practices for stroke recovery. It is alternate nostril breathing. In yogic scriptures, it has been mentioned as Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shodhan. It calms the nervous system, reduces stress, and promotes relaxation. It can also improve focus, balance energy channels, and potentially benefit cardiovascular, neurological, and pulmonary function. Let's learn how to practice alternate nostril breathing. It's simple, it's gentle, and it's incredibly effective. Sit comfortably on a mat or chair with your spine straight and relaxed shoulders. Now, use your right thumb to gently close your right nostril and use your ring or middle finger to gently close the left nostril. Now, let's begin the process. Close your right nostril, inhale slowly through the left and count to 4. Then close your left nostril, exhale through the right and count to 4. Now, inhale through the right and close the left, count to 4. Close the right, exhale through the left, count to 4. This is one complete round. You should repeat this for 15 to 20 minutes daily for maximum benefit. The best time to practice alternate nostril breathing is early morning, ideally on an empty stomach or before bedtime, to reduce nighttime stress and sleep disturbances. However, you can also do this when you feel anxiety or restless. Let's know what modern science and several studies say about breathing in stroke recovery. A 2020 review published in Frontiers in Neurology emphasized the role of breath regulation in neurorehabilitation, especially for improving cognitive function and reducing post-stroke anxiety. A study published in Neurorehabilitation Journal indicates that mindful breathing techniques enhance motor coordination and emotional balance in stroke patients. Alternate nostril breathing improves heart rate variability, which is a marker of nervous system resilience and flexibility, which is essential for healing. All my stroke warriors, stroke recovery is a journey. Some days are harder than the others. But remember, your breath is always with you and it can be your most powerful tool in healing. So start giving 15 to 20 minutes a day to this mindfulness and deep breathing exercise and enjoy the holistic touch of healing. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more interesting and informative health related content. Thanks.